Why did you leave the garlic in your ricotta sauce? Why did you put the egg in your pastina broth? Why did you take out the garlic? My nonna didn't do it that way. Well, you commentator who's leaving the same comments over and over but never shows a recipe themselves. Why don't you even at least put a profile picture? There's 8 billion people on this planet. And every nonna is different. Every family has their own tradition. Everybody has their own taste buds. And they're allowed to keep it that way. Some people even put cream in carbonara. But no, if you leave the garlic in your tomato sauce, it's blasphemous. Penne arrabbiata with parsley? I thought parsley was toxic. Are you crazy? I grew up on parsley. I eat it as a snack. You're supposed to put the parmigiano at the end, not in the middle. Who cares? If someone comes to you and has something to say about the recipe, ask them, what's yours? Show it to me. Then we can talk about it. Just like my nonna says, before you say you don't like something, you gotta taste it at least once. If you got something to say, prepare to show what you've got for yourself. Don't come unannounced. And this is a pasta queen service announcement.